I know, guys. I'm sorry, Wolf. I know this is boring. I'm just doing my best to survive.
I'm just saying.
But it's like it doesn't matter though, because even if I win this round, I'll be doing the same thing. There's nothing Wolf can do.
Yeah.
Oh,
Die.
oh, oh, no, no, no.
Okay.
Okay. That was alright. That's a round saving. That's a round saving right there. I could definitely take out all these manglers. And then I believe there was another one. And the good thing is, going into the mangler and going out of the mangler, you blow up anything that's around you. Will that end the round? Is Wolf back? Wolf, are you back? You tell me immediately.
No.
Steal. Oh my god.
I don't think I'm back.